Start rolling.
In my previous class, I have already discussed about the funda of acid and base, and today I will discuss the two theory perfectly. So, as per Arrhenius theory, acid is a substance which can easily donate H plus ion in its aqueous solution. So, example is HCl, hydrochloric acid. When it dissolves in water, it gives H plus ion and Cl minus ion. Next example is HNO3, nitric acid. It also gives H plus ion, NO3 minus ion. NO3, it is your minus ion. Similarly, these two are strong acid, and another one is acetic acid. It is weak acid, CH3COOH. When it dissolves in water, it gives H plus ion and CH3COO minus ion. That is known as acetate ion. Acetate ion, CH3COO minus ion plus H plus ion. Then, as per Arrhenius theory, we may define the base as the substance which can easily give OH minus ion into its aqueous solution. Examples are sodium hydroxide. When it dissolves in water, it gives Na plus and OH minus ion. Similarly, potassium hydroxide. It gives H plus, K plus OH minus ion. And this ammonium hydroxide, these two are strong base, and this is ammonium hydroxide which is known as weak base. It gives NH4 plus ion and OH minus ion. So, sum totally, as per Arrhenius theory, an acid is a substance which gives H plus ion into its aqueous solution easily, and base is a substance which can give OH minus ion into its aqueous solution easily. And the next theory, that means the second theory, is your Lowry-Bronsted theory. It is also known as proton theory. Already in my previous class, I have already discussed that if we write H2, it is treated as one of the molecule, hydrogen molecule. Okay, if I write H, then it is atom, hydrogen atom. If I write H plus ion, then it is equivalent to one proton. How it is possible? That means hydrogen atom contains one electron and one proton. If one electron is less from this atom, then it gives H plus ion, and which is equivalent to one proton. If from this I remove one electron, then one proton remains. So this H plus ion is equivalent to one proton. So, as per Lowry-Bronsted theory, that is the second theory, an acid is a substance, it may be one molecule or ion, which has a tendency to donate a proton. Okay, then that base is a substance which may be a molecule or ion, which has a tendency to accept a proton. So the examples are acids. HCl gives H plus Cl minus ion. H plus is equivalent to proton. Similarly, H3O plus ion, which gives H plus H2O. Then HSO4 minus ion. H2SO4 acid, it gives H plus SO4 minus ion, 2H plus. Okay. And other examples are HNO3, H2SO4, CH3COH, then water, H2S, NH4 plus, HCO3 minus. How NH4 plus donates one proton? Suppose it gives H plus this is treated as one of the acid as per Lowry and Bronsted theory. Similarly, base is a substance which accept a proton. This NH3 accept one proton, that is H plus ion, gives NH4 plus ion. Similarly, CO3 minus minus ion, when it accepts one proton, it gives HCO3 minus ion, that is bicarbonate ion. H2O, similarly H2O, it also accepts one proton, gives hydronium ion H3O plus ion. And all the alkyl amines, methylamine, all these are your base as per Lowry-Bronsted theory. Cyanide ion, Cn minus ion, HS minus ion, NO2 minus minus ion. Like this, all these substances accept one proton. So that is why it is known as proton theory. Okay.